What is Grok AI? The landscape of artificial intelligence is ever evolving, with new players breaking boundaries and challenging our expectations. Today, I'm going to delve into the fascinating world of Grok, an innovative large language model from xAI Corporation. Grok isn't your conventional LLM, inspired by the wit and the wisdom of Douglas Adams' science fiction universe. It aims to redefine the relationship between humans and AI. It's not just a tool, it's a vibrant personality, ready to engage in insightful dialogues, unleash creativity sparks, and offer a refreshing, unconventional perspective. Let's look at some of the key capabilities of Grok. From crafting captivating poems and stories to generating dynamic scripts, Grok's artistic flair empowers the writer within you. With its vast knowledge base and willingness to tackle complex questions, Grok thrives on simulating conversations on any topic, no matter how challenging. Unlike typical large language models, Grok injects humor and wit into its interactions, offering you a delightful escape from the mundane AI. Let's have a look at some testimonials from early adopters. Grok isn't just an LLM, it's my creative muse. It sparks ideas and pushes me to explore new avenues. Grok's witty responses and insightful perspectives make our research discussions far more dynamic and engaging. Of course, as a work in progress, Grok is currently available only to X Premium Plus members. This exclusivity fosters a vibrant community of early adopters who play a vital role in shaping its development. Like any cutting-edge technology, Grok comes with its unique challenges. Its unconventional nature may occasionally lead to unexpected outputs, requiring the user to understand and have patience to continue to learn and grow. Grok is not your typical language learning model. It's a bold experiment in AI as a whole, pushing the boundaries of what is actually even possible. If you are looking for a creative partner, an intellectual sparring partner, or just simply a dash of digital wit, Grok might be the AI you've been waiting for. Carefully consider your needs and preferences before embarking on this very unique journey. Remember, the future of AI is yours to explore, so why not take a chance on Grok? If you're looking for more AI tools and tips, you can go ahead and click here, and we'll see you there.